make sure y'all see it, man. We're back again with another lit video, man. And today, we actually got something going on with the Starlight headliner. Y'all are gonna actually get the footage of me installing all the lights. So gang, all I'm gonna say is this one's going to be one sick headliner. Probably one of the best ones I've done. And I'm kinda, you know, happy that it's going inside the scat pack because I'm gonna fall in love with this headliner. And with the scat pack coming out of the paint shop, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna probably end up keeping it, gang. It's just something about this one that's just gonna, you know, I had to do it for the channel. I know I haven't done that probably on none of my cars that I recorded for y'all. I just did a slight modification to them, and that just ain't make me fall in love with them, gang. So like I said, this one's going to be one of the hardest headliners I've done. And like I told y'all before, this actually got the shooting meteors, which I call them shooting stars, but they actually call them the meteors. So let me go in and show y'all what I'm actually working on right now. I went ahead and started it, divided it, just so I could kind of get a picture on what I'm doing. And gang, we locked in the picture, we're stuck with that vision, and we're gonna go with it. So right here, we got it divided off into sections, which I always do on every headliner. So this one's kind of more fuller than all the other ones. I guess it's more, I never saw these before. I guess these are the microphones. I guess they come in the scat packs. So we're not messing around, nothing with that. But right here, y'all are probably wondering why you got the marked red thumbtack. So this is actually gonna be starting off the meteor shower, gang. So I started right here on the back, and we actually went up to right here. So y'all see it got a slight curve to it. So this one's going this way. This one's gonna go this way. And then right here, we actually brought it around the headliner. So I marked them off for a specific reason, just so I know whenever I do finish putting all the tacks in there, I know which ones are the meteor showers. So I'm thinking about putting the meteor showers in first and then doing the other one, just so I could lock that in and then finish off the rest. So right here, we got this one. So now I'm probably gonna go ahead and curve this one this way to take it out of the headliner, and then I'm gonna bring it back in the headliner and go through the front. So look at this guy always talking about some Diddy. So yeah, without all that further ado, with all that talking, I'm not gonna keep talking our heads off. We're just gonna go ahead and get into action. I'm gonna turn the time lapse on of me doing this full side and then doing that side. So I still got a lot of figuring out to do because I'm gonna have some shooting meteors left. So I'm thinking about spreading them out to make them look like they're just stars, white stars, instead of having them the RGB. So like I said, I got a lot of thinking to do. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and let me know what y'all think about this headliner, because y'all are gonna see this whole process of us doing this and putting it into the scat pack. So y'all are gonna actually see the full product in this video right here. So let me go ahead and turn this time lapse on for y'all. Yep. All right, gang, man. This is the next day, same video of the Starlight headliner video. So we got everything laid out right. Now is the easiest part, most time consuming part. All we gotta do is just run the lights through the headliner, man. So it might take me a little while to figure this out because I need to know which lights are actually going in the direction I need them to go to. And then, boom, we'll be finished with it, and then we'll just glue them all down and we'll put the headliner up back tomorrow, man. So I'm gonna turn on a time lapse for y'all, and we're gonna knock this headliner out in no time. All right, gang, man, it's a long time coming, but we finally finished up the 392 headliner, man. So yes, I know it took a lot of time, but we finally accomplished it. It was kind of a headache at first, but once you get the rhythm of how it's going, then you know what to do after that, gang. So yes, we got the meteor showers in here. I was gonna go more, but I just decided to cut it a little bit short and finish it up the way I have it now. I can't wait for y'all to see it. It's gonna surprise me a lot because I haven't even saw it myself yet, gang, but I know it's gonna turn out good because your boy does good work. So right now we just gotta clean up a little bit more of these. I'm just letting the glue dry, and then we'll go ahead and clean up the mess, and then we'll go ahead and trim off the endings on the inside, and then we'll go ahead and take it to the 392, man. So y'all see we got a couple of little boxes where the wires are at, and then we got the amp up here. So it's just a little bit of confusion right now, it looks like, because everything's everywhere. But once your boy gets it situated, y'all are gonna see the outcome, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and y'all are gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. All right, gang, man, y'all see we finished up the 392 headliner. And like I told y'all, man, there's just something about it when you see the finished product of your work. It always surprises me, gang, of how many headliners I did, and this is the first one I did with actually the meteor shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the settings a little bit. I think I actually gotta swap the cords in the back, because you see it's kind of like they start off in the front and then they go to the back, so I gotta swap them so it goes from the back to the front all the way in one line, man. But let's see what we could do real fast. Ooh, that one looks good right there. I ain't gonna cap to you, my boy. Let's see, hold on. Ooh, whoa. Are y'all catching these showers?
Yeah, we need to get the flashlight.
Let's step back. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute.
That looks good, I like it. We need to put one in the box.
Yeah, so this is the first time I did it with the shooting stars. They're all over. You just gotta basically capture them all. But yeah, I'm really excited with how this came out. I ain't gonna cap to y'all, man. It's a different look from what we're used to, but we finished it up. So now it's just a basic. We just gotta put it inside of the 392 and see how it looks up there, man. I'm really excited for me to get it back. It's been a long time coming, but we finished it, gang. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all like it, if y'all messing with it, and would y'all like to put some lights in y'all's car, gang. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for when we actually go put this in the 392 scat pack, gang. All right, gang, man. So y'all see we finished up the headliner, and I'm pretty sure y'all are familiar with that sound, gang. And y'all can probably tell by the smile on my face, man. We got the 392 in front of us, so I'm gonna give y'all a little update on how it's been going, man. So right now I'm installing the headliner in there. You know how to give it that little start just so it can breathe a little bit while I'm putting this headliner in, man. But y'all see it, gang. We got the 392 here. It may not look like it got a lot of work done, but gang, the stuff that he's been telling me, man. So, you know, previously this car has been hit. The guy hit a deer, as what he told us, but a lot of stuff was messed up behind the bumper, gang. So he actually went ahead and lined up everything back to where it was supposed to be. And I'm pretty sure y'all remember there was like a ding right here in the hood, you know, and the fender, I mean, so he's actually fixing that. The skirt is actually getting fixed as well. New side marker lights, new headlights. We got a whole lot to list, man. Like I told y'all, he was redoing the back body work because whoever did it messed it all up. Oh yeah, let me check these tires out. Yeah, we do got all mixed max tires. Yeah, we all, but they're still good. But let's see what kind of tires we're running. We're running 275 40/20. So the other tires are gonna be way smaller than this. Power steering thing, man. It's still hard to turn this thing, but we got to get that fixed as well. I ain't gonna cap to you. I'm gonna turn you right back on, gang, once I get this headliner in. That needs to be at Rick Ross. You got the dunk up there, man. This is the new shop. We're not gonna show outside really, but
I mean, this is my painter shop gang. We're working together. It's a network. It's all about network.
and this is actually a shipping container, man. You see, this is a
So
vision.
all this was all made through a train container, the shipping container.
So we need these lights up in the shop right here. These lights, LEDs. Oh, what's this side over here? Oh, so this is the booze. Oh, you got more.
Like the painter. And honestly, we gotta build stuff.
Yeah, gang, man. That's gonna conclude this video. If you haven't already, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment down below, and let us know if you are ready for that 392 and that box Chevy to come out the paint shop, man, because it's coming sooner or later, man. This is actually what he's been working on, so you know we can't be mad at the fact that he had to get his business up and going first, man. He can't just rush our stuff, because at the end of the day, I want my stuff to be perfect, man.